Welcome to the Russell Brown Show.
In this series of episodes, I'm capturing images in Maui, Hawaii. I'm going to show you tips and techniques for photographing with an iPhone.
What?
You'll learn how to capture it right, and then you'll learn how to process it right with Lightroom and Photoshop. Let's get going with this next episode.
I'm here at Hawaii Sea Spirits, here on the island of Maui. I'm doing some testing of some great products here. Then I'm going to go light these amazing bottles and do a photo shoot based on this. Let's go. We're inside a building that's under construction, and it's worked out perfectly for the setup. All we need is a simple black tablecloth here. We've got a circular black background. We're gonna drop everything to dark in here. We've even got cardboard boxes on the windows to black this out. But the exposure I'm setting and the fact that we have a C1 strobe underneath this, it's giving us so much light that I can cut back on my aperture and make it really, really dark to accentuate the qualities of this bottle, and this bottle is stunning. So now I'm gonna use my Profoto app. I'm in the manual mode to control the settings. We've got rim lighting the top and a light in the bottom, 2 C1 lights, boom. Really, really nice. It's almost planetary. So there you have it, a really interesting day here experimenting with lighting glass and seeing how that works here with the iPhone. That's it from Maui.
If you want to learn more about the Photoshop and Lightroom techniques that I used in this episode, be sure and go to russellbrown.com. You'll find all of the featured tutorials at that location.